Welcome back, guys. In this video, we'll be attempting dynamics question 36 to question 40. Let's start. Question 36. A car is accelerating along a straight horizontal road. The diagram shows forces acting on the car. अच्छा, there are four forces acting on the car. Air resistance, जो पीछे पुश करती है. Driving force, जो आगे forward push करती है. Contact force, जो ऊपर करती है push. And weight, जो नीचे push करती है. Right? So, which forces are balanced? अच्छा, शुरू में ही हमें बता दिया the car is accelerating. Therefore, we have to conclude that there is a resultant force because मैं आपको बताता हूँ F is equals to ma, and when there is an acceleration, the a increases and there is a resultant force, which implies there is the forces aren't balanced. Air resistance and driving force isn't balanced. On the other hand, contact force or weight is pushing downwards, contact force is pushing upwards, right? And the car is going neither upwards nor downwards, right? So that means the contact force and weight are equal. So B is the right answer. Question 37. A single force is applied to a body. What cannot happen? A. A change in the direction of the body, of the moving body. अच्छा, अगर एक गाड़ी आ रही है and साइड से आके एक और गाड़ी लगे, which is a force, the car will change directions. B. A change in the mass of the body initially at rest. A mass of a body cannot be changed, so I think that's the right answer. C. A change in the position of the body initially at rest. Body initially at rest, उसकी position change हो सकती है if you apply sufficient force. B. A change in the speed of the moving body. Body, like, what causes the body to accelerate? It's the force, right? So a single force is applied to a body. The force can change the speed of a body. So B is the right answer because mass cannot be changed. Question 38. The Earth travels at a constant speed in a circular orbit. Circular orbit implying K. This is an example of a centripetal force, right? So, मैंने double एक second, sorry. Which arrows show the direction of the acceleration of the Earth and the direction of the velocity of the Earth? अच्छा, पहले हम एक्सेलरेशन की बात कर रहे थे. एक्सेलरेशन आपको पता ही होगा टिल नाउ कि सेंट्रिपिटल फोर्स के अंदर द फोर्स इज एक्टिंग टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर. That's why it's called the centripetal force. The force is acting towards the center. Therefore, the acceleration is acting towards the center. So R is the acceleration. अभी से पता चल गया D is the right answer, but आगे भी देख सकते हैं velocity, the direction of the velocity is here because अर्थ उस डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहा है, राइट? सो द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द वेलोसिटी इज क्यू. The answer is D. Question 39. A body slides down a frictionless slope. As shown, the body is pressed. Body press हो रही है, which is the weight. The surface pushes back on the body, or the surface pushes back on the body. In which direction does the surface push back on the body? So the weight is downwards to the normal reactional force will be upwards, right? In the opposite direction, which will be C, because that's the normal direction reactional force. Question 40. There is no atmosphere on the moon. Two metal spheres of identical volume but different mass are at rest at the same height above the ground on the moon. They are dropped at the same time. How do the spheres move after release? अच्छा, मून अर्थ में है ना, अर्थ हैज एयर रेजिस्टेंस. एयर रेजिस्टेंस क्या होती है? When a body is moving downwards, air resistance is upwards, right? Body का weight जो होता है, it acts downwards, right? And to combat that, air resistance is upwards. तो अगर एक body नीचे at a speed, at a terminal velocity travel कर रही है, तो नीचे वाले forces will be equal to the ऊपर वाले forces, which will be air resistance. But on the moon, there is no such thing as air resistance because there is no atmosphere. So that implies that the two spheres hit the ground together. Because फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑन अर्थ अगर एक फेदर लिया जाए और एक सॉलिड ब्लॉक लिया जाए, what will hit the ground faster? The solid sphere, the solid metal or whatever, and the feather will not hit the ground right after. ना ये the feather जो है ना वो काफी देर बाद ग्राउंड को हिट करेगा, while the solid object वो बहुत जल्दी ग्राउंड को हिट कर देगा, because feather is experiencing air resistance which is an upward force, but there is no such thing as air resistance on the moon. So therefore D is the right answer.